If you own a 21 and up Ford Bronco with modular bumpers and you want to add more style and protection to it, then pick up the Rough Country Safari Bar. This bar does so much for the Ford Bronco. Not only is it adding that style and protection, but we'll be able to pick from 7 different lighting options to add onto this bar as well too. Now if you want to check out the lighting options, we'll have all of those options available at cjponyparts.com, and I highly suggest for you all to check them out. And besides that, the bar is super beefy and durable, and we're going to add some protection to the front of our Bronco when hitting the trails. As far as installing this, it is super easy. We're actually going to use all of the factory hardware to be able to mount it up to the front of our Bronco, so let's get after it. Grab a T40 and a ratchet, and then take out these 3 T40 bolts here on either side of the Bronco bumper. Now grab your Safari bar and put it up to the bumper where we just took out those bolts, and then reinstall the bolts you just took out. Just loosely install them at first, that way we can align this bar, and then once we have it aligned, we'll tighten them down. There's the bolts, there's the bolts. Once you have the bar where you want it, tighten everything down. We're all wrapped up at the install, and I will say if you purchase a Safari bar with any type of lights, this bracket will come inside the kit, and then you will install the bracket to be able to install the lights on the Safari bar. I will say the bar looks absolutely fantastic on the front of the Bronco. It comes in this black powder coated finish, which matches the rest of the bumpers very nicely, and the fenders as well too. Now if you want to install this bar, it's going to take you about 15 minutes. It's super easy. It even reuses that factory hardware like you just saw a little bit ago. If you want to purchase it, the link will be down below in our description as always, but it is time to drop a gear and disappear, and we'll catch you on the next one.